What's up, unicorns? Welcome back to the music room. Today we're going to practice the transitions between the G chord and the C chord on our baritone ukulele. Make sure that your instrument is tuned, and make sure that the fingernails of your left hand are trimmed. Let's quickly review. The G chord is placing our third finger in the third fret of the E string, string number 1, and the C string is fret number 1 and fret number 2. First finger and second finger are used on the B string and the D string. Make sure that the singular strings are actually making the correct pitch before you move on. When we learn our transitions, we're going to go very slow. I'm going to have you play 4 quarter note strums, 4 beats of a rest, and then we'll switch and we'll do the next chord. Let's start with the C chord. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 2, switch, now G. Rest, 2, back to C. Rest, and we'll end with G. So this time we're still doing 4 quarter notes of the chord, but then we're going to do a half rest in between. Starting again on the C chord. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, switch. 1, 2, and end right there. Nicely done. All right. Hopefully you're ready for it. Now there is not going to be any resting in between. We're going from one chord to the next. Always have your fingers ready to rotate or to switch over to the next chord. Have them prepared, have them waiting. Let's start on C. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Switch to G. Back to C. Well done, unicorns. Hopefully you found some success with that. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!